Introducing this beautiful 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan GT. Featuring a VMI Northstar in-floor automatic ramp and kneel system. This incredible van features a 3.6-liter V6 engine, 39,000 miles, and a beautiful black leather interior. Also featuring red stitching along the seats. With the touch of a button on your key fob, it will open your passenger slide door and your in-floor ramp will automatically deploy as the vehicle kneels. Simply ride your mobility device into the van, strap your device down, buckle up, and you are on your way. Also featuring removable driver and passenger seats, you can position yourself in your mobility unit on either side. Regain your mobility, freedom, and independence with this 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan GT wheelchair conversion van. Call AutoMobility Store and ask us about our nationwide vehicle shipping and delivery services. And don't forget to subscribe and comment below.